Hello, my name is Jiwoong and my artist name is rAWrAW Project. At a high school in Australia, I got a chance to meet David Hockney, and on that night, I decided to become an artist in 1997. In the last year of college, I celebrated my 10,000th day of my life with a few programs, and one of them was to decide to live a more creative artist life, and I called it rAWrAW Project. rAWrAW Project is made up of many different and experimental projects. Considering my life as one work, I've been a multidisciplinary artist, ranging from painting, sculpture, installation, video, and performance. For the past 10 years, I also worked as a curator. Two main curatorial experiences are directing the inaugural Haeinsa art project at the UNESCO Heritage of Haeinsa Temple and numerous exhibitions and events at German-based Platoon Kunsthalle in Seoul. For me, NFT is a new way to archive artworks using smart contracts. So a major part of it is to store my previous works as well as making new ones. Not just artworks, but I also constantly question how I can record my life in NFTs. It's hard for me to define what my style is because I try to experiment with many different styles, but here are some topics that I'm interested in right now. The first is moire effects, which are the illusions created by repetitive lines moving and crossing each other. This fake-like reality is the combination of two energies, which forms a new frequential wave. I believe that this minimalistic approach of dots, lines, shapes, and movements in their simplest form can represent many universal philosophies and spiritualities. Also, in quantum physics, this nesting and entanglement have similar formations which became my interest and inspiration. The second is Disfiguring Lines portrait series. These half-abstract and half-figurative faces are inspired by many face-distorting artists like Picasso, Bacon, Hockney, plus the simplicity of Eastern calligraphy. Such disfiguration somehow brings me a sense of comfort, allowing me to access multiple emotions and imaginations as if through a process of cell division. I take pleasure in combining concepts and genres. Disfiguring Lines embodied the liminal state that emerges between ancient and modern, Western and Eastern, representational and abstract, text and face, drawing and painting. The last, Ultra Patterns series is based on photographs that I take in a heavily industrial area called Ulchiro. This area has many Korean cultures and numerous people's sweat that made Korea a strong industrial country. Due to the wave of capitalism, the old Ulchiro will be moved out soon. This project represents a new way of archiving things as multi-use designs, and the goal is to expand their application to commemorate the area. I hope to continue experimentation and add more different styles for life as one work. Thank you for your time. 감사합니다.